take your cruise to parade the Suzhou Classic View Canal, which is the longest man-made canal in the world.
Sa China, sa factory ni Long Ridge, pinakamahal na parts na shop sa buong mundo.
Itong building na to, isa to sa pinakabagong ginawa na naman ng Long Ridge. Alam mo ba, last year pumunta kami dito, hindi pa siya gawa, pero ilang months pa lang gawa na. Ganyan si Long Ridge, pag may gustong gawin, ginagawa kagad. Ngayon, titingnan natin kung ano sa loob. Halika kayo, pasok tayo.
Isang karangalan na malagay yung pangalan mo sa Hall of Fame ng Long Ridge. So, 30 Pilipino nakalagay dito po sa Hall of Fame ng Long Ridge.
Ito na, sobrang nakaka-excite kasi actually ito din yung pangarap ko kung bakit ako nandiyan na yung ma-recognize tayo sa ibang bansa bilang one of the top leaders. So, ito na yung katuparan nun, nandiyan yung pangalan ko, one of the awardees.
Alam mo, isa lang nagpapatunay dyan, ang Pilipino kahit saan pwede maging #1. So, kung nakaya ng mga Pilipino na dito, we have 3 leaders na nandito kasama sa mga Chinese. Basta magaling ka, you will be the #1 here in Long Ridge. So, see you at the top. And next time, ayun na rin yung picture nyo.
Galing! Ang galing ng Philippines! Wow! Galing! Ang galing ng Philippines! Wow! Galing! Ang galing ng Philippines! 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 Mabuhay!
I know Long Ridge, Philippines mark 2015 as one of the top distributor of Long Ridge International. We don't treat this not just like a business. We treat this because we love each other and because we ourselves, when we look at Long Ridge, we always think about family. And Long Ridge is family.
To all those who make the trip this 2014, congratulations, because you guys are the best. I also look forward to bringing the second batch 2015. This is, I promise you, gonna be exciting. It's gonna be great. It's just gonna be fantastic.